Now we're on a south aspect in the southern Whitefish Range in an area known as Big Slide. And just performed an ECT, extended column test, on this block right here. And on 17 taps, we were able to get this layer to propagate about just under a foot from the ground. So, you know, almost 2.5 feet from the snow surface here. Snowpack is considerably more shallow here than it is on those east and north aspects. But what we have here is a layer of soft facets, so weak snow, sitting, you know, again, just about 10 to 12 inches above the ground. The fact that we were able to get this layer to propagate means that it has the potential to propagate across the slope and potentially avalanche. So we'll do another one, see what we get, but this is definitely a layer to be heads up about. "19 taps, and this time we got propagation on top of the freezing rain crust. So I'm going to leave the block here and see if we get some more propagation on the lower layer, as we did in the last test. Alright, so we got 2 propagations on that test. One right on top, right here, about 2 feet below the surface on top of the freezing rain crust. And then below that, again, this weak layer just below that, about 10 centimeters, a layer of facets, and looks like there actually may be some old buried surface ore in there as well. So this may be the buried surface ore layer. It's a little deeper, further away from the rain crust than it was on the north aspect. So regardless, we have a weak layer about a foot or so off the ground that is propagating in our stability test.